Jesus says, eat what is set before you. Eat what is set before you. This reminds me years ago, many years ago in India, when I was in India, one retreat preacher spoke for an hour on this one line. Eat what is set before you. If you are preparing a meal, you have got a choice. You prepare what you like. You know what you like, and you prepare what you like. When somebody else is sitting at the table and preparing a meal, you have no choice. He may know your preference, he or she may know your preferences or what you like. But it's not entirely in your hand. We are talking about the master chef, God himself. He is setting the table and he is preparing the meal. Some of them are really good. You will say, oh, wonderful, God is good indeed. Oh, taste and see the Lord is good indeed. Wonderful indeed. You'll be over the top, dancing all the way home. Or dancing all the way to the bank. God is very good. The meal is wonderful. But then you find sometimes some bitter herbs. They don't taste very good. But they are full of nutrients. You need them all. So I'm not talking just about that saying, play the hand you are dealt. No. Not about a stoic resignation to life. Just accept what is given to you. No, it is more than that. It is about a very joyful, welcoming attitude to what God brings to you, to your table. A very welcoming, joyful, and grateful attitude to what God sets on your table. God, I can see both, the good and the bad, but both are for the good. My eyes say, oh, those things are good, but these things are not. But my faith says both are really good. Take it, enjoy it. When you ask God for advice, when you ask God for consolation and wisdom, what he sends is adversity. Note these words. When you ask God for advice or consolation and wisdom, what God sends is adversity. Adversity is very good. Failures are very good. Opposition is very good. When somebody hates you, be happy, something good is happening. If everything is going well with your life, it's a disaster. Something has to go wrong. You need some suffering. You need some diseases. You need all that, because in all those things, you are given grace. Because the Master Chef has purposefully, in his wisdom, put some nutrients. Enjoy the good and the bad. And the Master Chef is watching over you to see how you grow up spiritually.